Hi, welcome to our short video, Helm Tutors, always steering students to success. From our homepage, on the bottom right, there is a username and password prompt. There, enter your username and password. This will take you to your portal. Your portal has a lot of useful tools that we will explore. Right now, we will only be looking at live tutoring, also known as a classroom. This is where your interactive whiteboard resides. On the next page, from the room selection option, click on the drop-down at the top right to select your room. Some rooms require passwords and some rooms don't. This is all based on your stated preference. All rooms display this prompt. Based on what you've agreed on with your tutor, click Allow or Deny. On this page, Debbie has done a lot of calculus. Let's go to some previous pages and see what's there. It looks like more calculus here. Some more of it, and even more of it. Lots of fun. Let's check out another room. This room, it appears, requires a password. We will show you some of the tools the online whiteboard has. On the right side, there are writing tools and some useful geometry tools. Here is some vector-related work done using the geometry tools. Up top on the left are some normal text editing tools. And towards the right, there's an option for us to turn this into a blackboard or a yellow board if we so choose. We also have grid selection. More importantly, there is a Wolfram graphing tool, so we can ask it to graph an equation. For instance, this quadratic, there. The graph is displayed on the left. An even more important tool is the shared pointer. The student and the tutor have individual pointers, so that if a student has a specific question and wants to point to something, he or she will be able to do so. Let's delete the graph on the left and show you another great feature of the whiteboard. Here, from the Assets button, a student or a tutor can upload a document, and the student and the tutor can simultaneously look at the document. As you can see, the document is immediately shared so that the student and tutor can collaborate on problems as well as write and interact using the whiteboard. Amazingly, everything written on the interactive whiteboard is permanently saved for all of our students. That way, our students can come back and re-examine their work. Equally important, students are able to concentrate on their lesson without worrying about taking notes. Finally, for students who need regular academic or test prep support, we loan them a Genius writing pad, a great drawing and writing tool free of charge. This concludes segment 1, all about the whiteboard. Let's commence with segment 2, looking what is behind the tests icon. When clicked, it allows you access to a lot of practice exams. When you click to view the document, you will have a PDF copy of the document. Like the test icon, the Resources button also offers PDF copies. This time, PDF copies of topic-specific resources. For instance, the document we uploaded on the whiteboard earlier, the Sequences and Series worksheet, can be found here. In addition, there are these two big buttons. Let's explore Take Practice Online Test. When clicked, this icon brings you to the Online Test and Worksheet module. Here, from the drop-down menu at the top center, you can select a test category and take a practice worksheet or test. Work through your assigned problems, select your answers, and get immediate feedback. Last but not least, from our blog. The Helm blog contains a plethora of articles on college, test prep, and general discussion in the realm of academia. From articles about a Stanford MBA to the new SAT, here is the place to come and engage in dialogue with others who are also interested in new ideas in education. Of course, if you'd like to learn more, we offer a wealth of specific information from our main menus at the top of our homepage. Check out our story, our services, our calendar, and equally importantly, our testimonials. From the Our Services menu alone, you can learn a lot of details about or approach to both academic work and test preparation. If you need to contact us, you will find many options under our Contact menu. We hope you have enjoyed our short video, and we look forward to hearing from you.